Hi children, welcome to our class 6, Subject Science, Chapter 3, Rain, where does it come from? Today we are going to learn, subtopic is rain. What are the changes we can see in the sky as well as in the atmosphere? Let us learn about it. In our daily life, we observe that before raining, clouds descend towards the earth's surface and we experience a cool breeze before rainfall. In very cold conditions, the drops of water turn into crystals of ice and fall as snow. Sometimes big drops of water solidify into ice and fall as pieces of ice known as hailstones. Generally, we get rains in some particular months during the year. In our state, rains occur normally from June to September. During that season, you might have observed in the sky that clouds are moving along with the winds blowing from western direction. What is the western direction? South-west side. The winds moves towards the southwest side. These winds are called southwest monsoon. Similarly, we observe in the months of November and December, rains occur due to movements of clouds in the direction of winds blowing from eastern side, means northeast side. These winds are called northeast monsoon. Nowadays, we are not getting timely rains and seasons are also changing slightly. Children, do you know acid rain? Have you heard name of acid rain? Acid rain is the combination of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide from polluting clouds from nuclear reactor and other fossil fuels. If the raindrops are very small, they are collectively termed drizzle. Thank you, my dear children.